Making money is a function of you providing value. If you can solve people's needs at any level, you will make more money. Hello, my name is Shola Adeshaki and I'm the lead coach and founder of Smart Stewards, the Smart Investment Club, Smart Stewards Academy, Smart Stewards Junior Club, and of course the Smart Stewards Inner Circle and our other subsidiaries. One of the questions I get all the time is, Coach Shola Adeshaki or CSA, what can I do to make more money? Now these questions excite me because I teach the make, manage, multiply money message. I love to teach people how to make money, how to manage their money, how to multiply money. And I tell people the skills are different across the 3 M's. The making money, you need a different skill set. Managing money, you need to embrace the skill set. And of course, multiplying money. But in this video, I just want to talk about 7 P's to help you make more money. Literally, tips that you can follow. Now, money gravitates towards value. Wherever there is value, there is money, right? Value literally magnetizes money. So if you want to make more money, it's a function of bringing value to the table. A couple of days ago, I experienced something that broke my heart. As I was parking at work, a lady, well-dressed, looking good, walked up to me and was begging. Like, I didn't want to, she gave me some really flimsy reasons for begging. And I'm like, no, it didn't sit well with me because I knew that there were so many things that she could have done to get that particular money she was looking for. So making money is a function of you providing value. If you can solve people's needs at any level, you will make more money. So let me share the 7 P's with you to help you this year, next year, and always, to make more money. The first thing is personal development. I already said money gravitates towards value. Now, value is a function of your skills, what you know and what you can do. If your skills get better, you're able to provide higher value. And higher value would lead to more money. Some of us keep doing the same thing and we expect more results. You are operating at the same skill level and you want more money. No, it won't work like that. If you're able to get more skills, acquire more skills, you will be able to solve more problems, you will be able to provide more value, and of course, money likes motion, money is attracted to value like white on rice. So my first challenge is look at your skill set. Identify gaps. What are some of the things that you can do? How can you improve yourself? You've got to read more books. You've got to pay for courses. At the Smart Stewards Academy, we've got loads and tons of courses that can help you, of course, manage your finances. We've got the Fit to Fly course. We've got the Digitalize Your Diamonds course and other courses that can help you bring out the better you, bring out more value, and make more money. So personal development is key. Sit down, look at your skill set, and make up your mind to engage yourself more positively, learn more skills. I read a lot. I attend courses a lot. And I literally, intentionally also apply these things. So the first thing is that improve your skill set. You will increase and improve your ability to make more money. The second thing is professional development. Let me tell you, personal development is different from professional development. Personal development, sometimes it's not even along your, vocation or your profession. Personal development, you might be learning habits, you might be learning, other things that do not relate to what you do, right, in your profession. But in your profession as an accountant, you are, taking certifications that will augment and that will just help you perform better. You're doing ICANN, you're doing ACCA, your personal management, you're doing the courses, you're doing just professional certifications that will help you become a better person. Because if you're employed, the better your professional qualifications, the better your chances at getting promoted. So first thing is personal development. Second thing is professional development. The goal of the two of these things is just to help you get more value, add to your skills so that you can attract more money. Number 3P is practical solutions. The world needs people who can provide solutions, feeding needs, right? Feeding problems, housing problems, clothing problems. We all literally need a solution. These days you see smart homes, you see smart everything. People are thinking and coming up with creative ideas, innovative ideas to make the life of people better. So look out for practical solutions. People need nanny. People that go to party need people to tie gele for them at the party. People need makeup, mobile makeup artists. People need, these are the days of social media. People need mobile photographers. People need mobile videographers. You see, you must be able to provide practical solutions to the needs of people so that you can make more money. The next one, very important, yes, for making more money and attracting more money, attracting wealth, positive mindset. Again, I once did a video in which I was talking about the mindset for attracting money. You need a positive mindset because you need a wealth consciousness within, first of all, to attract the level of money that you want. When you are positive in your thinking, you're able to creatively come up with ideas. You're able to innovate. So don't give in to depressing thoughts. Don't give in to, a limiting mindset or limiting beliefs or limiting conditioning. You can make more money. You can be a billionaire. In spite of your background or where you're coming from, you can do amazing things. So for making more money, some people will say, Coach, I've tried everything, it's not working. You need to align your thoughts because the universe is ready to serve you the energy that you bring to it. If you're energetic, if you're full of belief and positivity about life and your ability to make more money and create wealth, the universe will serve you back with that amount of energy. The next thing, which is the 5th thing, planning. Let me quickly run through the points. Personal development, professional development, practical solutions, positive mindset. Now I'm talking about planning. If you want to make more money, you have to sit down. Interact with your current figures. What am I making? What am I making? How can I make more money? What do I need to do? What do I currently have a deficit or a surplus or an excess with my personal finances? What can I do? What additional things can I do? Can I collaborate? Can I add this? Can I do that? Can I serve people online? Can I serve people offline? Sit down. Interact with what is happening in your life. Interact with your figures. The next P will be people, right? People are the ones that will give you money, not plans, not systems. Yes, systems are good, but you literally need people. People are the ones that will spend money on your products, on your services. And you need people at different categories. People that will give you money in exchange for your services. And of course, people that you can collaborate with. People that you can work with in partnerships as an affiliate marketer. You need people around you. You need people, you need mentors to teach you, you need, contemporaries to learn from, you need even competitors to keep pushing you, right? This is an age where you can serve people from all around the world. COVID has showed us that online, offline, virtual, wherever you can make money. So you need people necessarily. And of course, the last one, right, will be places. If you want to make more money, you must be ready to explore. Locally, globally, all around the world, you must be ready to invest in places, invest in memories, invest in experiences, get out of your comfort zone, be willing to associate with people and places and cultures that are not necessarily within your comfort zone. So you need to step out of your comfort zone into newer places, newer people, planning, right? Professionally developing yourself, personally developing yourself, embracing your mindsets. So what am I saying? If you apply these 7 things, I tell you that you will be able to upskill. And again, wherever there are skills, you will have money gravitating towards you. It is not rocket science. All the people that are wealthy around you, all the people that would say, I made this last year, my revenue was this last year, they literally have just applied these 7 things that I have said. I would love to coach you, join any of our communities, the Smart Investment Club. You can join our junior club for your children. You can join our academy where you can take courses. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube page, Smart Stewards by Shalade Adeshaki. This year, I know you will do amazing money things. You are going to make it, manage it, multiply it as you practice all of these things. And of course, read the Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. I see you winning with your finances. I love you.